Hey there and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to add Google Analytics to your Shopify store. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. First of all, you have to go to your Shopify dashboard. From there you can see this option called online store. You have to tap onto your online store. So after clicking onto online store, you can see this option called preferences. You just simply have to tap onto preferences, and from there scroll down and you will find this option called manage pixel. Here you can see this is Google Analytics option. Just tap onto manage pixel here. So after clicking onto it, you have to tap onto this option called add sales channel. Tap onto it, and after clicking onto it you will see this option called connect. So as you can see right now, no account is connected to my Shopify store, so just simply tap onto connect, and then that's it. You have to enter your Gmail account which is bound with your Shopify store. Just connect that account, and after that you have to tap onto this connected Google Analytics property. Tap onto this option, and then